Cesar, we have Dancing Rugs past the begin, Explosivo moving up on the outside now is Absolute, is Marty Ryan, Fireworks is down on the inside, and Eloquence is the early trailer. We have Dancing Rugs, the leader by Auralenka. Absolute is right behind in second, down on the inside is Fireworks, Explosivo, Kai Inday, and on the outside moving up is entry number 6, Marty Ryan, and Eloquence is the early trailer. Fireworks takes the lead. Dancing Rugs in between horses, and on the outside third, Absolute, Kay Inday now to take fourth, then racing in fifth, Explosivo is Marty Ryan now moving up by the rail, and Eloquence still racing in last. Now we have Dancing Rugs once again, and on the outside now is Absolute, and in third, Fireworks, and in fourth comes Kay Inday is Marty Ryan, Eloquence second last, and Explosivo. Dancing Rugs once again takes the lead, and on the outside is Absolute, is Marty Ryan in third. Eloquence now trying to get closer in fourth as they come down at the last 150 with Dancing Rugs still in front by about 3 lengths. Absolute moving up, Eloquence on the outside is Marty Ryan, and it's still Dancing Rugs followed by Absolute. Eloquence is on the outside, Dancing Rugs, Absolute, Eloquence on the outside, Absolute once again, and finally Absolute, Dancing Rugs, Eloquence, then comes Marty Ryan.
Balikan.
Tama yung ano mo, yung
Balikan.
sinasabi mo habang pinapanood natin yung karera.